Thank you for purchasing the Franklin's Fruit Tea Puree Home Kit. Now you can make the award-winning Franklin's Fruit Tea right at home. So let's get started. First, gather your items. You will need a measuring cup, pitcher, tea, spoon, puree, instructions, and a boiling pot for your tea. Next, fill your boiling pot with 1 gallon of water and add 1 tea bag. Turn your eye up high to bring your water and tea to a boil. Be sure to wait until the pot has a rapid boil. Then remove the pot from the eye and allow the tea to cool for about 10 minutes. Moving on to the best part. Pour the puree into the pitcher. Be sure to empty the entire contents. If needed, cut open the package to scrape out the remainder of the puree. Now, add the appropriate amount of tea to the pitcher. For liquid gold, half and half, and lemonade, pour in 13 cups of tea. For mango, peach, and strawberry, pour in 12 cups of tea. Add the appropriate amount of water to the pitcher. For liquid gold, half and half, and lemonade, pour in 3 cups of water. For mango, peach, and strawberry, pour in 2 cups of water. The goal is to fill up the remaining space in the gallon pitcher. Once you are full, you may stop adding water. Place the pitcher in the refrigerator for at least an hour to cool. This is an important step to allow the puree and the tea to marry for the best taste. Once the fruit tea has cooled, you may serve and enjoy. Remember, always keep unconsumed fruit tea refrigerated. We hope you enjoy.